Sabrina, business law discuss. 3. Private law. Law that affects matters between individuals, whether people, groups of people, or companies. Contract, family. Tort, non-contractual damages. Property. Example, rights and duties of individuals. Definition of jurisdiction, the power of the court to decide a case and issues orders. There are many types of jurisdiction. Territorial, the court can only decide matters within its territory. Personal, the court must have power over all the parties in a case. Subject matter, some courts can only preside over certain subjects. Judgment, court must be authorized to render the remedy sought. Timeliness, the matter must not have prescribed. Also, original jurisdiction, certain matters can be heard for the first time. Appellate jurisdiction, hearing matter on appeal from another court. Versarial versus vials. A. Inquisitorial legal systems. There are two main legal systems in the world that define how the court works and acts in a case before the court. 1. Inquisitorial, or non-adversarial. Judge is actively involved in the investigation, preparation, and overall process, even calling, questioning witnesses, while both parties can ask follow-up questions, usually found in civil law systems. 2. Adversarial judge remains neutral while both parties assume opposite positions in debating who is right and present their evidence. Judge's role is limited to ensuring the rules of court procedure are followed, usually found in common law systems. Adversarial legal systems. Standard of proof, how much you have to prove. The degree of proof required in order to succeed in a legal action. Burden of proof, who has to prove it first. The party that is required to prove its case in a legal proceeding, always the party that starts the court case. In criminal cases, it's the prosecution, government's lawyers. They bring actions, claims representing the people of the country. Civis. Criminal law. Civil law defines the rights between individuals, entitles, and/or governments. If I break my neighbor's window, 2 individuals. If I bought a defective product, 1 individual. Jaya 1, company. If I want a driver's license, 1 individual. Jaya 1, government. Criminal law defines an individual's obligations to society as a whole. If I rob a bank, hurt someone, destroy someone else's property, etc. Civil remedies. Right the wrong, burden of proof. Party asserting the matter, balance of probability. Parties. Smith versus Jones. Criminal penalty. Punish the offender, burden of proof. Lies with the prosecution, beyond reasonable doubt. Parties. Government versus Smith. Legal systems are how a country organizes its laws. Common law systems. UK. Most of the former territories. US, Canada, Australia, India, Hong Kong, Singapore, Ireland, New Zealand, Jamaica. 1/3 of the world. What other judges have decided in the past? Case law binds judges. Precedent, deciding later cases with similar facts to ensure consistent treatment. They become like laws.